Welcome to our Heart of Disney channel. We will keep you posted on updates and reviews on all things Disney. Let's get started with the updates from D23. D23, the Ultimate Disney Fan event, was held in Anaheim, California, August 9th through the 11th. The annual event is named D23 because 1923 is the year Walt Disney opened his first studio in Hollywood. At this year's D23 event, exciting changes, updates, and expansions were announced. Here are the upcoming projects that are happening in Magic Kingdom. The first exciting change will be in Frontierland. Disney announced the addition of 2 new rides based on the Pixar movie Cars. The first Cars attraction will take guests on a thrilling ride racing through the countryside. The second Cars attraction will be geared towards younger guests. The next announcement is a new nighttime parade starting summer 2025. The parade will be called Disney Starlight. It will be reminiscent of the Main Street Electrical Parade, which was retired in October 2016. The Disney Starlight Parade will feature characters from stories like Peter Pan, Encanto, Frozen, and many more, including the Blue Fairy from Pinocchio. Another exciting change to Magic Kingdom will be the addition of a new lounge that is set to open in 2025. This new tavern experience will be a swashbuckling theme based on the Pirates of the Caribbean. Look for this new food beverage stop to be located in Adventureland near Pirates of the Caribbean. Finally, one of the most highly anticipated and long-awaited updates is the addition of an all-new Villains Land coming to Magic Kingdom. This addition will include 2 new major attractions that have not been announced. This new land will also include multiple villain-themed dining and shopping areas. And be on the lookout for some of your favorite villains to be spotlighted in this new land. Thanks for stopping by Heart of Disney. Please take a brief moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all the latest news, reviews, and tips in and around Disney World.